going on, you Brapaholics? Welcome back to the channel. I know what you're thinking. What kind of situation am I in right now? Well, I actually did not plan on getting stuck. I'm actually hung up on weeds. I was seeing what this would do in two-wheel drive, and I just dug my own grooves, and now I'm stuck. I'm just kind of floating on grasses and stuff. So yeah, right now my dad's coming back. We're gonna grab the razor with the winch and a strap, and we're gonna see if we can pull me backwards. Of course, I don't have the winch on this right now. Plus, it wouldn't help me anyways. There's nothing to hook onto at this point. So here I am in this nasty swamp. If you look close enough, there's a ton of little tadpoles that are little froggies. I'm probably disturbing them. They don't sound too happy right now. Be stuck on this thing. I think I'm caught on something. I'm caught in weeds. Hey, I needed a winch or a tow. I'm stuck behind the house. I'm hung up on something. So you can get me from the bank. I just need a tug backwards.
Oh, like a 20-foot strap's enough?
I'd maybe 30.
So you're between our house and Amy's house?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, you're gonna have to go to the south side of the swamp. So I don't know if you get Brock's winch and a strap maybe.
Okay. Let me second put my shoes on.
Alright. See you.
Right, bye.
Bye.
Got a strap too in the back.
There was more. It's down about 4 inches. It was deeper last weekend. Yeah, I found a hole and got hung up. I was seeing what it would do in two-wheel drive, and it made a deeper hole. And then I got down in the muck.
Oh wow, you're right. Hopefully, guys up. Ready, broccoli?
There'll be one in the driveway. Don't worry.
Yeah?
Oh, yeah.
What, tomorrow?
No.
I still think the idle needs turned up on this. It wants to dip down sometimes. I don't know why. Maybe. So far, the belt's being fine. Today, anyways. Alright, so we're here. This is the deepest pond I can find for now. So my lowest point is actually about right here. So I can't go any lower. I can't go any deeper than that point. I'm going to do a couple test runs and then see what else we can do. Very mucky today. I'm wondering if the bottom layer is starting to loosen up with the warmer weather. Very mucky water. It is deep right now.
Things are improving outside as we speak. It was gray at times, and we saw some blue skies. You saw the sun for the first time in a while. Put together a list for you because things are getting better, and we're going to watch them continue to get better.
vegetation's gonna be a dick to get off. Yeah, this is pretty fun. Not gonna deny that. Alright guys, so I made it home. Unfortunately the GoPro died. I drove back here in 4-wheel drive, which controls the front diff. I didn't hear any grinding or nothing on my way back, so when I'm in 2-wheel drive, I have nothing. So I'm pretty sure I blew the rear diff inside the transmission on this unit, which sucks. So now I gotta tear it all apart again. So that's fun. I'm gonna clean it up and I'm gonna fix it. Probably won't record it. Maybe I'll let you guys know. I'm not really sure yet. I'm just kind of pissed off. So I have to work on the Rhino here, so I might be sitting on this for a little bit. Once I get it fixed, it is going for sale because I don't want to put any more money into this thing. So I'll keep you guys informed. Thank you guys so much for watching. I had an absolute blast today, though. In the meantime, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook. You can check out my second channel down below. All links are in the description. If you guys like this, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright guys, it is April. It is finally getting nice out. We're gonna get the dirt bike out. We're gonna go rip the gravel pit here soon. It's gonna be an awesome time. What the f***? Is this some sort of April Fool's prank?